Hello, my name is Anamika Sharma, a student of GLA University, Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. So being a student at GLA has been a great experience. 5 years I spent in this campus, 3 years as a graduation student and 2 years as a B.Ed student. I love so many things here. There is not only academics but also extracurricular activities like presentations, workshops, seminars, different competitions and educational tours. So these 2 years in Faculty of Education department has given me an ample of golden opportunities to showcase myself. And I realized at the end of the journey that I was completely different person, more confident, self-dependent and well able to face the world with a smile. I was developed myself a professional candidate as I was in BCom Honours. I got placed in brand known company policybazaar.com as a term expert and with a good package. And now after B.Ed, I got placed in Kanha Makhan Millennium School, one of the best school in Mathura as a TGT English. I would like to thank an institution for giving me such a great opportunity and experience. I wish all the very best for all the prospective students to enrich and evolve themselves to a great extent. Thank you.